How do you know when is a good time to buy Bitcoin? Although it's impossible to time the market perfectly, there are tools that can help you decide if now is a good time to grow your BTC stash or not. One of the most popular tools for checking whether Bitcoin is overvalued or undervalued at the moment is the Bitcoin Rainbow Chart, which consists of multiple colored bands. Depending on which band the Bitcoin price chart is currently located in, we can see whether BTC is overvalued or undervalued. The Rainbow Chart is founded on a concept known as logarithmic regression, which assumes that the price of Bitcoin will keep increasing at an increasing rate in absolute terms and at a decreasing rate in relative terms. The different colors of the bands are an indication of whether Bitcoin is currently undervalued or overvalued. The colder colors indicate a good buying opportunity, while the hotter colors indicate a good selling opportunity. Red: Bitcoin is significantly overbought, and its price is likely to drop. Orange: buyers are dominating the market. Yellow: investors should hold their Bitcoin. Green: a good price level for accumulation. Blue: Bitcoin is severely undervalued, and its price is likely to rise. By assessing trends and price ranges, Bitcoin traders can use the chart as a supplementary tool to make more informed trading decisions. During times of euphoria in the market, where everyone is convinced that Bitcoin will keep going up in price forever, the Rainbow Chart can provide some clarity by reminding you that BTC is in bubble territory and likely due for a correction. During the depths of the bear market, when investors are extremely pessimistic, the Rainbow Chart can help you identify good buying opportunities that are likely to pay off in the future. Taking a look at the Bitcoin Rainbow Chart is a good sanity check for BTC investors, as it helps you understand the current price of Bitcoin in a broader context. Currently, the price of Bitcoin is in the accumulate range, which means it's not a bad idea to slowly add some BTC to your portfolio, according to the chart. Let's say you are considering buying Bitcoin at its current price level and plan on holding it until April 2025, about a year after the next Bitcoin halving, which has historically been the time frame in which BTC reaches its halving cycle peak. If we take a look at the Rainbow Chart's projections for April 2025, we can see that it predicts an upper price level for BTC in April 2025 of $351,546 and a lower bound of $27,655, with an average Bitcoin price across the 9 bands of $135,489. It's important to understand that the Bitcoin Rainbow Chart is only a projection based on historical price activity and does not account for any external factors that can have an influence on the price of Bitcoin, such as news events, changes in regulation, upgrades, hard forks, and so forth. So, should you use the Bitcoin Rainbow Chart to inform your BTC trading decisions? Let's explore some of the main pros and cons. The Bitcoin Rainbow Chart provides an accessible and visually appealing way to analyze price trends. It also offers a unique long-term perspective on the cryptocurrency's performance. The Rainbow Chart can help identify potential entry and exit points for BTC trades, optimizing trading decisions. When using the Bitcoin Rainbow Chart, you need to be aware that historical price trends are not an indicator of future performance. The chart is open to subjective interpretation, as the underlying reasons why certain price trends form will be interpreted differently based on each investor's perspective. Also, you need to be aware that the chart doesn't take any external factors or sudden market changes into consideration. Do you find the Bitcoin Rainbow Chart useful for informing your trading decisions, or do you prefer to use other tools? Make sure to let us know in the comments below.